Bibihis lang kami tapos maghanap kaming makakainan sa labas. So far, so good. Where? Coffee. Watch how, where you going? Yes, I did. Oh yeah, what number? So, i-ring lang namin sila mag. Sumasagot, nandito na sila sa lupa. Ayan, mama. Ah. So, alis na kayo. Ha? Taxi, kuya? Get taxi? Aristocrat? Bye-bye. Flying kiss.
Kabababa mo lang. Nag-aantay kami, sabi ko kay Dennis, give them time to get ready because they have a shower and all that. Kami pa lang tuloy. Tuloy pa lang kami.
Oh. Dito kami sa Aristocrat mag-dinner. Kasi we have to wait.
Otherwise, just go in the front.
That's where we went in last night.
Just round the front.
No, you have to wait. It's closed. Here sa Aristocrat. Last time, nung first time namin na pagkadating dito nag-Aristocrat agad kami. Tapos ngayon,
Mango juice or something.
crispy pata. Ako magkakrispy pata. Tapos, what's that, Zaz?
What's this one?
At saka sinigang na baboy. Kay Janeto. Michado. Ayan, nag-order na siya michado. How about you, Dad? You already have tissue butter and another.
How do you reckon I'll go with that?
Okay, one lechon kawali. What do you want? Enough rice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rice. So 8 rice, please.
What about that?
Ah, that's spicy, Dad. A little bit spicy, gambas, but it's nice,
What
right?
about that before?
It's nice.
Never mind.
It's nice, Dad. Baba, what do you want?
No more. No more. That's it. No?
Siyang kawali, Daddy.
Thank you so much. Fish fillet.
Get rice, come. Rice, come.
Sure pa, darling. Ala, 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 ala. That is good. Ala, 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 ala.
She loved the soup.
Hindi pa sabihin sa pagkain.
Kasi si nanay ko, ma'am.
Kain ka na.
No, ayaw ko ng busog na.
That guy.
Ito. Here.
Please, come on.
Open up. Open up na.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's looking at you, pa. Tapang. No. Ah.
Talaga oh. Mahilig talaga oh.
You're spoiled po pa, ha?
Talaga nanggigigil talaga siya.
Hoy. 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 Huh. What happened? No more.
Yeah, but if you want more. This is Bobby, a lot. A lot.
No more. That's enough.
If you get more, blame pa, darling. A lot.
Huh? Enough.
Oh, it's okay, Bob. It's okay. It's okay, darling. Ala, 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 ala.
I said no more. That's enough.
It's okay, it's okay.
Napagalitan ko siya, oh.
It's okay, Bob.
Enough. That's enough. Okay, kita na, mom. I love you. You like it? Did you have a drink? Have a drink, Papa.
Marunong nga. Marunong na mag-ano. Full. Ay,
See my Sarah?
Just got bored now. You never know.
Yeah.
just watch.
Yeah, that's...
Mami! Mami!
Say hi. Say thank you.
Say bye-bye.
Come, get inside.
May tubig ako doon.
How much are they?
Wow. 80. Wait, son.
Right, press 3.
Good boy.
We laugh again because you know where we went. 6th floor. We press that third floor. Oh, we just shake our head and then
What'd you do?
Press 1, G press 3.
me. Yeah.
She's at the bloody
Yeah. We're back. Careful. Okay, tap. Quick. Get in.
Can I practice?
No, ako na sa. Okay, go. Soy.
What, your lights come on?
Yeah.
Landi-landi ng baby namin.
Good night, everyone. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Say good night, everyone.
Here, hold it there like that. In that hand.
Wait till you get.
Nakabili kami ng
Why don't you put them away?
Tapos sabi ko,
Put them away, and then when you get down there,
Round.
down there, more room to play.
sabi ko, ano ba itong ano na to?
Finger, hold it there. Hold it there.
Ambatong, ambatong. Ambatong.
Nakabili kami ng ano. Ano yan, ma'am? Ang tawag yan?
Ano ba, aywan ko ba yan?
Parang ibon na, ewan. 200 daw siya. Natawa na namin
Seth,
80.
look. Hold it
Ma'am,
there.
200
Not here, hold it there.
to 80 pesos. Kuya, good night.
Good night. Thank you for watching us. See the subscribe channel and come on our next vlog.
See ya. See ya.
See you on our next vlog.
Kuya.
Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching us. To see you on our next vlog.
See ya on our next vlog. How about you, Holly? Flying kiss, Holly. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Good night. Good night. Flying kiss. Flying kiss.